Hello friends and welcome to another video lesson from DV Always Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of new uploads. This video is part of the playlist called SQL Developer Tips, and here we'll learn how to comment and uncomment and do formatting of SQL statements in SQL Developer. So you're looking now at SQL Developer, which is the GUI or IDE tool of Oracle database. It comes bundled when you download and install the Oracle database. Okay, so I have put in here some sample PLSQL code, which is unformatted and which is also uncommented. Okay, so we'll be learning a couple of tricks, some of them standard to Oracle SQL and some specific to Oracle SQL Developer itself. Okay, so we will start with single line comment. Okay, so single line comment. What I mean is commenting code, one line of code. In programming in general, when we say comment, it is meant to mark a line of code as being not executable. It's not to be executed by the program. It is to be ignored. It is more for information of the one reading the code. Okay, so we'll start with single line comment. Again, commenting one line of code. And to do a single line comment, what you will do, or the command to be added, I don't know if it's a command, it's a formatting command, is a double dash or a double hyphen, depending on how you want to call it. So it is placed or added at the beginning of the line. So like in this case, we're looking at this PLSQL code over here. Now, if I were to add a single line comment, maybe here, because this is not a command, it's more of a comment, I'm saying generate a number between 0 and 9. It is more for information of the developer or of the user, whoever is looking at this code. And I will add, I will comment this single line by adding a double dash in front of the line, right at the very beginning. And you'll notice initially the color of the text here is like this, black and blue. And when I added a double dash, which signifies a single line comment, it becomes grayish. So it's a command, it's a signal to the SQL engine that this line of code will be ignored because it's a single line comment. Okay, so that's single line comment. The next we'll be learning about, by the way, this double dash isn't just specific to SQL Developer, but in SQL, Oracle SQL in general, as well as other flavors of SQL. The second one we're going to do is called multi-line comment. Okay, multi-line comment meaning multiple line comment. So to add a multi-line comment, you will enclose the text in a pair of / and */. So let's just say I wanted to comment these two lines of text here, lines of code. I will start with a /*, and for readability, you can also add a space if you want to. And then if I wanted to close the end the multi-line comment, I'll close it out with the reverse, */. So you can see the discoloration, the color scheme here, it becomes gray at the beginning of, the text which is being commented or has been commented becomes gray. Okay, so you can see the multi-line comment here is, it starts with a /*, and then you end it with the reverse of the sequence of the characters. In this case, */. Okay, that's multi-line comment. Okay, multiple line comment. Again, this is what you do. You enclose whatever text you have here. It could be multi-line. Okay, let me just get this down here. See, it can be multi-line, it can be many lines of code. So it is because of the effect of the multi-line characters being added here, /*, then everything inside that pair of characters are getting commented, multi-line comment. Okay, So the third we're going to be learning in this short but sweet video is this: how to comment a single or multiple lines using a shortcut key. So this combination key or shortcut key is specific to Oracle SQL Developer, not necessarily to Oracle SQL itself. Okay, so this is very specific to Oracle SQL Developer. So again, to accomplish or to add a single or multiple line comment using a shortcut key, this is the way to do it. It's a combination of control and slash. Sometimes some people call this /. So meaning while the control key is pressed, you don't let go and then you click on or press on the slash. Okay, so let's do that. So the trick is to highlight the line of code or line of characters that you wanted to comment. Example, if I only wanted to comment this line. Okay, I will put maybe my cursor here, and then I will press a control slash. Okay, so it comments that. Again, if I wanted to comment this line, while control is down, I press on slash. Okay, but then if you wanted to highlight multiple lines, then let's say I remove this one. Let's just say I wanted to highlight multiple lines, no matter how many. I can I can highlight them with my mouse or with my keyboard, and then I will again press on control slash. So as you can see, it's a very handy shortcut key, only applicable to SQL Developer, the IDE, because it allows you to add multiple single line comments or multiple lines, contiguous lines, with a single combination of control slash. And the fourth we're gonna be learning is the reverse, but gladly using the same command. So the fourth is to uncomment single or multiple lines which are commented using the same shortcut key, control slash. While control is pressed, you will press on slash. So let's do that here. Let's just say I wanted to uncomment this line of code over here. I put my cursor somewhere on this line, and then I will do a control slash. Okay, same thing. If I wanted to uncomment this, control slash, no problem. If I wanted to do an uncomment of multiple lines, I can do that too. Let's say from where I am now, I mean the cursor, and then up to here maybe, control slash. Oops. Okay, it got confused. So because it's a combination now of commented and uncommented, I will focus on those that are 100% commented, like this part. So I'll do a control slash, see, and it gets uncommented. Okay, so that's the fourth thing we've learned. The fifth thing we're gonna be learning is this. Give me a sec. How to format an SQL statement. As you know, when you write any kind of code, it is advisable to have some kind of indent, which facilitates readability, also code maintenance. And when you're debugging, when you're glancing through the code, it's very easy. It's much easier if the code is indented, has some kind of formatting. So in this case, the code you're looking at, which is PLSQL, is not formatted at all. So you can accomplish this shortcut key, this formatting, only within SQL Developer, this tool we're looking at right now. So the combination or the keyboard shortcut to be used is Control F7. Again, while Control is pressed or held down, you will press on F7, the function key. Okay, format an SQL statement using Control F7. So let's just say I will highlight everything. So I will do, as you can see right now, the code is not formatted in any way. They are just formatted by default, left aligned, but that's it. So I will press Control F7 to give this some kind of formatting. Okay, so it was quick. you can see that some indentation have been applied, which is equivalent to a tab character. So the indent here on the parameter of the procedure, same here, indent on the variables being declared. The beginning is just nice, and then indent here also at the beginning of the select statement, and the reserved words of the select statement are aligned. Select is aligned, left aligned with into and from. And then also the select statement here is also aligned, indented. Okay, so this has been accomplished by using the keyboard shortcut combination of the keys Control and F7. Okay, so in summary, let me just paste everything here again. So we've learned 5 things in this short video. In SQL Developer, the first 2 are specific, are applicable in and out of SQL Developer, meaning you could be in SQL Plus, in Oracle, and this would work, or in SQL Developer. But the 3rd, 4th, and 5th are specifically, they will only work within the confines of Oracle SQL Developer, the IDE. Okay, so the first we learned is adding a single line comment, which is accomplished by using the double dash in front, putting it in front of a line of code. Second is a multi-line comment, multiple line comment, which is accomplished by enclosing your characters, which can be in 1 or multiple lines, enclosing them in a pair of these characters, /*, and ending it with a */. Third is how to comment single or multiple lines using a shortcut key, which is a combination of Control and /. Fourth is the reverse, which is to uncomment a single or multiple lines using a shortcut key, the same shortcut key, Control /. And the 5th is how to format with indentation or with indent, format an SQL statement in SQL Developer. And that's accomplished by using the key combination of Control F7. Like I said, the first 2 can be used in any Oracle SQL interface, like SQL Plus. It's a standard to Oracle SQL itself. But the 3rd, 4th, and 5th commands that we'll be learning, or that we are discussing in this video, are specific and will only work within Oracle SQL Developer. So there you have it. I hope we've learned some new stuff from this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next video.